Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of very beautiful and rustic ideas and popstick magical craft ideas for everyone who is wanna do something different, something craftic with their children. If women wants to love to do that, if children become a very beautiful, a very big, be a very beautiful artist and. This is a very beautiful and artistic ideas for everyone. So these designs are made from beautiful pop stick and also we can say ice cream sticks. So these designs are very interesting and children have pop stick but doesn't know what to do with this. So these ideas is very crafty and you can make this article with your family and get together. It is a fun and it makes memories. So special designs, this is a special designs for everyone, for xmax. So viewers, this video gonna take you the world of very beautiful colorful pop stick craft. So hope you enjoyed the designs. And in schools and many places kids get together and make some crafting things and doesn't know what to do. So these designs gonna gives you ideas. So take some pop stick and take some glue gun, hot glue, pom pom, pipe cleaner and mixture of these things and you can make the beautiful craft with this. And if you make this type of craft, so your craft will be amazed and children will be very happy to do this. Pure dopamine release and stress release hormone is balanced. So this video gonna take you very kiddie worlds like this. So this video and these designs are really beautiful. So thank you for watching and we try to do the best things for you, for our viewers, and we try to bring best ideas and beautiful designs for this upcoming season. Holiday craft is very necessary to know that what children should do and they really want to do something and ask to mother what we want. What if you know something, then you will teach your children. So you should know what to do and these types of collections you have to make. So thank you for watching and I want to bring best crafting ideas, best designs for everyone who is watching this. Either it's fleece, felt fabric ideas or another ideas. So these designs gonna take you to the world of very beautiful kiddie crafty world. So how you feel about that? This craft is very beautiful or not? Because your comments is most precious thing for my channel. So your reviews are most important for me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your amazing response. I'm really happy to read that and it would be really nice of you to see your comment. So take some pop stick and eat some ice cream. Don't throw away pop stick and take a pom pom balls, add some jute rope, add some colors, so you can make a crafty beautiful idea. So thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. We want to bring the most beautiful and amazing